हाय एवरीवन। आज मैं आपके साथ कुंवर वियोगी जी की एक सोनेट शेयर करने वाली हूँ जो मेरी सबसे ज़्यादा फेवरेट है। सो हियर इट गोज। ऑन रिसीविंग अ लेटर फ्रॉम माई डॉटर, आई थॉट दैट यू वर स्टिल अ टाइनी डॉल. I didn't relate the passing time with you. My parenthood was caught in such a thrall. I failed to notice life's changing hue. I noticed not your entry in your teens. I paid no heed to your rushing youth. I failed to match the needs with the means, and thereby looked clueless and uncouth. But today when you write to me, I feel how grown up is my daughter, and realize, what if it had not happened? Time's wheel would have never had meaning otherwise. This is why our occupations hold their court, and this is how time makes us play this sport.